Hey guys, let's see how to connect a laptop to a TV or a monitor using USB cable. So basically your TV or monitor usually doesn't have a USB connection, so you need to use HDMI. And in this case, I need to use this adapter. See here that I have this adapter. Here is HDMI, the display part, and here the source that I'm going to connect to my cable is USB, okay, USB-C. So I just grab a cable like this and insert it here. Then I can connect to my TV or to my monitor. Let me just do this. So I have here my monitor and I have an HDMI input just right here. So I'm going to connect the display part here. There we go. And then let me just connect now to my laptop. So I have different ports here. I have a USB-C port here. I have another one on this other side, so I'm going to connect here. There we go. Now I just need to wait and see that I have something here and it's connected already and it's working. See here that I have the screen already back there. And then I can just even come here to the system settings and check the displays. There we go. So I have here built-in display and this one for the external monitor with the 1920 by 1080 resolution. So it's good. And I can simply move from screen to screen like this. It's in extended mode, or I can just change here to mirror mode, right? And it works pretty fine. We just come back here, stop mirroring, then I have again the extended mode, and it works pretty fine, okay? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can connect your laptop to a TV or a monitor using USB-C cable. You just need to use the adapter and you're good to go. I'll leave the link here in the description so you can get on Amazon. I hope that helps. Leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.